James again from KSTHL Labels, so custom damask woven labels. So that's the woven labels is a main style with damask label, satin label, and taffeta label. Also in our knowledge, for our knowledge get up, and we also have developed some new styles like one labels with half damask and with half the satin. That's just with the damask and satin, the middle of the damask and the satin. So that's how depends. That's why we call this, or almost it depends on the density and the tenor of the yarns. So we can use the very thin yarns to weave in our labels, and then can make out our labels logo is very beautiful and very clean. Also, the difference between damask and satin can also be seen by use our magnifier glass. Of course, it take professional knowledge, and you can say that. Like we check the labels every day. So we don't need the magnifier glass, and I also can say which is the satin and which is the damask. Also quality, the density, we or like you use this machines and magnifier glass and to check. So if you use magnifier glass and to see the labels, that is very easy to find what is the damask and what is the satin. That's very easy. Thank you.